Hello and welcome. This is a huge upgrade I did today on the to-do list tracker in Google Sheets. If you want to purchase it, the link will be in the description box below. If you want to see what it was real quick. So it's an ultimate to-do list tracker. It allowed the previous version allowed you to enter different items and then track how frequently you need to do them, and then you enter the last time it was done, and it tells you how many times or how long until the next time is. Uh, So now we've upgraded this to include a database. And what this allows someone to do is every time you do something, you can use a drop down. This will be based on any items entered here. And so now you can enter when you've done things in the date, and that will automatically populate the last done date here. So it's more automated. So all you have to do now is put in each of the unique tasks that you need to get done over time, the months and days frequency, the frequency unit. This will convert it to days. You see last done time, the last check date, or next check date, and then how much time there is to do that, or if you're over time, it'll go red and notify you in red. So accounting firms, law firms, any organization that needs their employees to be tracking things and what they do and when, this is a great tool for that. And the Upgrade Now database allows you to see, we can now query monthly, so this automatically shows each task item and the frequency it was done in each month. And you can update the date here. We've also got a visual that will show each item and the amount it was done per month here. Also have an annual actuals roll up that shows the items and the amount, the frequency done per year. This could be if an employee, you need to see how many times they did something per year or per month. That's what this is for. A visual for that as well. Each bar is a task item, and you can see for each task item how frequently it was done in each year. And we've only filled out data um, for 2 of the years. Well, hold on. Why? Yeah, because furnace should be there. And then if you want to add series, you go to the chart and you go add series. Go down here and just add like row 12, row 13. I'm sorry, 12, 13, 14. So you can adjust that here. I'm going to remove these back out so we just have down to furnace. And again, to do that, you just click on the chart, little three dots here, edit chart, um, and just right on the series here under setup series, and you could add or remove any one and it will remove it from the list. So easily expandable, editable. You can also see what items are going to need to be done within the next X days. So 25 days, you have this. Let's say we put it into like 500 days. It shows everything. Um, a hot list, this shows basically your list of items from the closest that needs to be done to the latest, and then a visual of that. So it's saying you got 549 days to do the furnace. You got -5 days to cut the grass. So this is an item that's overdue. The definitions, this just defines if something should turn green, red, or yellow based on how many days until it needs to be done, which will run right here based on this value. So really cool tool. There's a lot of awesome Google Sheet formulas in here. This is a great tracker. Very good use for all kinds of organizations. It's a broad template. I'm going to put it in the HR tools template. It'll be included in this as well as the accounting tools template, and then it'll also be, you can buy it separately just for $45. But it'll be included in these bundles at no extra charge if you buy the bundle. Alrighty, well, I guess that's about all I got for you. And yeah, this uh, update customization came from YouTube. So guys, feel free. If you see something and you want to see an update to it or a change, I am definitely open to doing that. And this was a good one to do. So here you go. Again, don't forget to check out smarthelping.com. You can buy all the templates I have for $9.99 or buy in category. Over 100 templates, all unique formulas, customization or customized, um, advanced. If you use Google Sheets or Excel, you will find value here, period. Alrighty, I'll see you guys on the next one.